Alright guys, welcome back. We are still torquing away on the 12 valve. Tyler's getting ready to change some valve springs because we have upgraded valve springs in this head. I know, I keep holding it close. We have upgraded valve springs in this head that we're going to put into the other head that we're going to use. So we're going to continue wrenching away and see what we can't get done. Alright guys, so we're going to try to go ahead and start taking all the stuff off that needs to be took off to get this motor out. I already took the bezel and headlights and all that stuff out because we're going to have to be able to get in there to be able to do the intercooler and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and start taking everything off, see if we can't get this thing out. Alright guys, so today the wind is killer outside, so I guess there's probably going to be a whole lot of time lapse in this video because you wouldn't be able to hear. All the mic would be is picking up the wind. I may be able to throw in, some talking after the wind calms down here a little bit, but we are still working on 12 valve, trying to get the engine out. It was a way more extreme process than other ones in the past. There's actually a bolt hung in the transmission, and it's been an extreme pain. I mean, I've tried everything in the book, honestly, but we're going to go ahead, start wrenching away on it. We're actually going to try to pull the engine itself forward to get a better angle, pull the transmission with it to get a better angle on that bolt to try to get it out and pull the engine. Even though the transmission's going to come out at the same time, not with it, but we're going to drop the transmission after we get the engine out. So everything should be fine, but we're going to continue working on that. Tyler should be here in a few minutes, and we'll see what all we can't get done today. Alright, so we finally got the motor out. It took us 2 evenings. We started with a running and driving truck. Now it's not so running and driving. Transmission's laying right there. So we got to, we're going to take the head off of this one. Lighting is terrible. We're going to take the head off of this motor, put it onto that one. That head right there is going to go back on this one. This motor can be bought if anybody wants it. Everything will be functioning. It was a good motor. We're just trying to refresh, I guess you would say. So we're gonna go ahead, possibly get the head off this one, pick up a little bit because we have a monstrous mess, and that'll probably be it for this video if I had to guess. Alright guys, welcome back. Today is the day that we are going to get the head off of this motor that we pulled out yesterday. I'm going to sum all the videos up involved of getting the motor out of the truck, getting the head off, and as of what we get done today, I'm going to sum all that up, I guess a 3 evening span. I'm going to put it all into one, I guess, to kind of give you, if I would have done it individually, then there'd have been like 2-minute videos. So we're going to try to increase the length, but not have a whole lot of talking. That way it ain't boring and stuff like that. But we're going to get the head off this old motor, throw it onto the new one, and see what else we can't get done with it as far as manifolds, mounting turbos, VE pumps, things like that. Tyler should be here in a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and start taking the head off of this one and get it ready to transfer over to the new one. So here we go. So I've managed to get the head off. So we're going to use that pump over there. It's on that motor that I used to mock up, engine motor, however you want to say it. And we resealed it and everything. So we're going to put it back on this motor. That way whoever wants to buy it has a freshly sealed pump. We're going to take this pump off. We're going to use it because we've done some modifications to it. So I'm going to go ahead, pull this pump off before Tyler gets here, hopefully. Get that off. We're going to clean the head up, get it ready to paint and everything, and see what else we can get done. So I figured I'd show y'all. I'm sure most of y'all know that there is a bottom nut on here. I don't know if I can get in there to see it. You can see it right there on the bottom. And it takes a special tool to get in there to it, you have to order it. I can't remember where we ordered it from. That might tell you right there. But you have to have the special tool to be able to get in there to actually get that nut out. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up getting this pump off with that. Alright guys, so Tyler is unfortunately not going to make it today, and I have some things to do myself, which he's going to get some PB Blaster, and we got to have that to put it on the manifold bolts. That way we can not, or try to avoid breaking any off in the head. I'm trying to learn from past experiences and not do the same thing. But we pretty much are... Tomorrow we're going to be full tilt, I guess, on this whole build. We're going to try to get the head on and things as far as that goes. Get everything painted up. All the finishing touches pretty much. Get it all mocked up. We pretty much have to get all of it done to be able to mock up the twin setup. Then we're going to figure out what kind of injectors and some other things that Tyler may want to add to it. We've kind of sat down, talked about it, went over everything, but we ain't went over complete every little detail. But as far as that goes, I appreciate you guys tuning in each and every day. I'm trying to give y'all something to look forward to. I know I'm not the best YouTuber by no means. I try to put the spare amount of time that I have at nights before I go to bed into editing these videos and produce half decent quality stuff, I guess you would say. But hit that like button, subscribe, tune back in tomorrow for some more stuff. Hard telling what we'll get into, but thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all again tomorrow.